How's it going, YouTube family? Chad Bennett here, your Make Money online coach. Today I am super excited. I'm going to be teaching you exactly how you can make up to $15 per hour just browsing the web. So if you are familiar with how to search on Google, Yahoo, Bing, YouTube, any of these top search engines, you can get started making up to $15 per hour. You must be able to commit at least 20 hours per week. However, these are flexible arrangements. So as long as you can put in the 20 hours per week, you can get started by becoming a search engine evaluator. I'm gonna show you exactly how you can get started doing this. If this is something that does not sound interesting to you, make sure before you leave this video that you come down through my channel here and check out all these different fabulous methods that I have created to show you how to make money online. Also, my friends, if you are an entrepreneur like me and you want life-changing results where you can make a full-time income online, where you can break free from your day job and fire your boss, this is exactly where you want to get started, right here in the middle where it says chadbennettlive.com. Click this link. This is my #1 ultimate recommendation to make money online, my friends. And also, if you are brand new to this channel, you are going to want to make sure that you subscribe. So click that bright red box, click subscribe, click the bell notification over here in the corner. That way you are notified immediately when I come out with new content. And I'm coming out with at least 2 very powerful videos a week teaching you different methods on how to make money online. So without further ado, let's jump into this video and get started and show you exactly how you can get started making up to $15 an hour just browsing Google, my friends. So let's dive into this, my friends. We are going to be reviewing 3 different websites that you can apply to become a search engine evaluator, and you can get paid up to $15 per hour. Most of these are paying between $12 and $15 per hour to be a search engine evaluator. This can be done worldwide. Some of the things that you're going to want to know before you get started doing this is you're going to need a desktop computer or a laptop. You're going to need to be able to commit at least 20 hours per week to do this. However, like I said, this is a flexible work arrangement. You work these hours when you have time, but you have to be able to commit the 20 hours. You're going to need to make sure that you can pay attention to detail and that you can follow instructions. You're also going to want to make sure that you can run a basic search query using Google, Yahoo, Bing, YouTube, because this is exactly what you're going to be doing. If you're not familiar with how to do this, this is very simple to do, you guys. You can teach yourself how to run a search query very, very, very simply. Most everybody in the world is already doing this, so this shouldn't be too much of a challenge. So what's basically going to be happening here is you're going to run a search query, and then when the results come back, you are going to provide a rating. And they're going to give you very detailed instructions on exactly how they want you to do this, so that you want to make sure that you can actually follow the instructions and do exactly what they're telling you to do. Now you're probably wondering, why am I getting paid just to run search queries? Well, it's very important for Google, Yahoo, all these big search engines, that when their users actually run a query, that it returns back very valuable results and that the user actually finds what they're looking for. For instance, if I was to run a search query on how to make money online and I was getting results back that had nothing to do with how to make money online, or topics that just weren't very focused, that would not be good. So they pay people to actually go out there and run these search queries to make sure that they're getting valuable feedback when a query is run. So let's go ahead, let's check out these different websites, my friends. These are very simple to use, and like I said, this can be done worldwide, so that is very exciting. I know everyone's always asking, if a lot of the stuff that I'm sharing can be done worldwide. So the first website that we are going to be discussing, my friends, is called appin.com, and I will leave a link in the description of this video. So if you come down in the description, I'll leave a link to all 3 of these websites that we are going to be discussing. That way it's very easy for you to navigate to all 3 of these websites. So once you've arrived at appin.com, my friends, what you're gonna do is you're gonna come all the way down to the bottom here where it says careers over here on the side. You're gonna click careers, it's gonna bring you to this web page. And for the sake of this video, we're gonna be focusing on just this one right over here on the left where it says raters. This is where you apply to become a search engine evaluator. They do have other opportunities such as micro tasks, some corporate jobs, and some language jobs. So if you speak a bunch of different languages and stuff like that, you can look at those. Micro tasks are some of the other things that I've discussed in previous videos. And on these other websites, they have some other tasks and opportunities available as well. But for the sake of this video, like I said, we're focusing right here on where it says raters, and this is to become a search engine evaluator. So one key thing that I wanted to point out while we're on this web page is that you make sure that you visit all 3 of these different web pages, because sometimes when you come to these pages, my friends, all the positions are full. So you want to make sure that you check all 3, and if they happen to all be full, make sure that you check back, because they have positions open back up, and that is when you can find the opportunity to actually apply and become a search engine evaluator, making up to $15 an hour just working from home. One key thing I wanted to point out from Appen is that they actually allow you to do some of this from your mobile device. So that is huge, my friends. To be able to work from a mobile device pretty much opens the door to allow you to work from anywhere in the world whenever you have time, because people have their phones on them at pretty much all times. So first website, appen.com, and I'll leave a link in the description. The second website I wanted to discuss, like I said, this can be done worldwide. The second website is called Raider Labs, and Raider Labs actually got bought out by the same company that owns Appen. So now these two are owned by the same exact company. However, Raider Labs has the ability to work worldwide. If you come down here and it actually asks you, what country do you live in? And if you scroll through here, they have a list of a ton of countries. They have Japan, Jamaica, Ireland, Iran, Hong Kong. I mean, pretty much everything is on here, my friends. So I know a lot of people are looking for, opportunities in a lot of different places. So you can get started doing this practically from anywhere in the world. And the last website, my friends, is called lionbridge.com. I know I've discussed Lionbridge before in some of my other videos, but this is another opportunity where you can actually come and apply to be a search engine evaluator. And so once you arrive at Lionbridge, what you do is you come down here to where it says testers and raters and curators. You're going to click learn more, and then this is another opportunity too where they have positions available worldwide. If you hover over all these different little orange dots here, you can click on your country and apply to the positions that are available to you. And like I said, this is another one where they have a ton of different opportunities to actually work from home and work when you have time and have flexible work arrangements. So there you have it, my friends. That is my top 3 recommendations to create an income online by becoming a search engine evaluator, making up to $15 online just for searching the web. However, if you are anything like me and you want life-changing results, if you want to create a full-time income online, make sure that you check below this video in the description. I have left a link right here, chadbennettlive.com. This is my #1 recommendation to make a full-time income online, my friends. This is where I got started 5 months ago, and I have had insane results. So if that sounds interesting to you, make sure that you click that link. And then again, my friends, if you found any valuable content in this video, make sure that you smash that thumbs up. It really helps to grow my channel. It helps to get this content out to as many people as I possibly can to help change their lives as well and put as much money in their pocket as possible. Make sure that you are subscribed. Make sure that you hit that bell notification. That way you're notified immediately when I come out with new content. That's all I have for you today, my friends. Thank you for spending time with me. I always enjoy teaching you my best tips and tricks on how you can create an income online. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.